show you how to pop that blade hub off of one of these old Lawn Boy lawnmowers. First thing you need to do is shut off the fuel. The second thing you need to do is remove the air filter, because we're going to be tipping it on its side and the fuel in the carburetor is going to be leaking out. Another thing you need to do is you might want to put something on the ground to catch that fuel that's coming out of the carburetor. If you got a mat or some newspaper, you might want to put it on the ground, because we're going to be flipping it up on its side. You're going to need a 15/16 socket to remove the blade. Now sometimes you might get lucky and when you remove the blade, this hub will come off. But it's on a taper and a lot of times it's stuck on there. So if you take an air hammer and put it on the end, give it a zap, it'll pop it right off. So when you go to reinstall the blade in the hub, what they recommend is you have the piston at top dead center, and you're going to want the blade 90 degrees from top dead center. Now the reason they want that is they say it cuts down on vibration. So what you need to do is remove the spark plug and turn the motor over until the piston is at top dead center, which is right there. So I know the piston is right here, so I'm going to make a little mark with a Sharpie or a paint pen. Then you put the hub on, put the blade on, lock it into those little nubs. You want this point right with that paint mark, 90 degrees. Now you can go ahead, put the nut on, tighten it down. And that's all there is to removing that blade hub from a Lawn Boy, antique Lawn Boy. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl. Follow me with your Lawn Boys, Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store. We got lots of products and shirts and all kinds of stuff. And as always, there's your dinner.